How can a pyramid, yes, how can a pyramid help you study better? Well, we're talking about Bloom's pyramid, or what is popularly known as Bloom's taxonomy of thinking. Well, it's based upon this pyramid. Now, the pyramid, at the base of the pyramid, you have knowledge. At the next level, at the next level, you have comprehension, then application, analysis, system, synthesis, and evaluation. Now, what this pyramid shows you is that the base of all thinking is knowledge. That is, knowledge that you acquire from reading textbooks, listening to your teacher in class, and so on. It's the foundation of higher order thinking. Now, what that has to do with your CXC exam? At the base of the pyramid is a knowledge base. For example, paper one of the math papers, CSEC math paper, tests your knowledge of the concepts, principles, and operations involved in basic mathematics. For example, if you do not know or cannot recall the facts, the definitions, the formulae, the concepts, and principles related to a topic, you won't be able to solve the problem. So knowledge is the base, is the foundation of any level of thinking. And this is where memory plays a major role. You're only as good as what you can recall. You won't be able to apply a principle that you cannot recall come exam time. Now, the CSEC examiners test your ability to recall material through the multiple choice questions. If you don't recall material, you won't be able to understand the process. And if you don't understand the principle, you won't be able to apply it. In section 2 of the mathematics paper, the CSEC examiners test your understanding of the concepts and principles. If you understand the concepts and principles, you'll be able to apply them. And section 2 presents you with new situations where you have to apply the knowledge you have. How do I apply this to the section 2 of the math paper? You are presented with new situations. So that is why this section 2 is a tougher section, because it asks you or tests your ability to apply knowledge that you acquire. It tests your understanding of those principles. And at the other higher level, analysis. When you are presented with a math problem, you need to break it down into smaller parts. That is, you need to analyze the problem. And in an earlier video, I mentioned the questions. I pointed out to you the question that you need to ask yourself to break any math problem into smaller parts so that you can solve that problem. So how does the pyramid help you studying mathematics? It shows you the levels of thinking that are involved. At the base of the thing is knowledge of facts, principles, concepts, and so on. At the next level, it tests your ability to how you understand those concepts and principles, and then at the higher level, how you apply them.